join my channel and subscribe and press the bell icon जिससे कि आपको हमारी आने वाली सभी वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहेगी। अगर आपने हमारी पुरानी वीडियोस नहीं देखी है, वहाँ पर है कि जीरो लेवल से इंग्लिश कैसे सीखें, इंग्लिश बोलने की प्रैक्टिस कैसे करें, तो आप उन वीडियोस में जाके देख सकते हो और वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। अगर आपको सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन नहीं आता है तो हमारी वीडियोस में जाकर देखें सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन कैसे देते हैं। तो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है कि हाँ, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड इंग्लिश बट आई एम अनेबल टू स्पीक, व्हाई इट हैपेंस। इफ समवन से टू यू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, यू फंबल अ लॉट, व्हाई इट हैपेंस? बिकॉज you have a practice of Hindi. You think in Hindi. First you translate in English. You think in Hindi. First you translate in English. Then you speak. That's why you fumble and you have a silence. You have to remove your silence. If you join any coaching for 1-2 years, then you can speak in English. It happens because you practice there. That's why you can speak in English. At home you cannot practice more. If you want to practice at home, take a notebook, write your thoughts. What do you think? What do you do daily? You can write your thought daily. At least you have to not skip one day. You have to write what do you do. You have to speak what do you do daily. Then you can remove your fearness, your shyness. What is your big problem? Because from my native language is Hindi. From childhood we learned what our parents teach us, what they tell us. We learned only that much. Now we are going to learn English. So this is important because if we go in interview, giving interview, so we have to give interview in English. We have to not shy there. We have to not fumble there. If you fumble there, they will reject you. They will not take your interview. That's why English is important. If you want to solve this problem, you have to think in English. First, you have to take 1 hour for yourself. You have to speak in English only. You have to watch half hour. You have to watch any audio video. Then by that you can improve a lot. Because if you watch, thoughts will come in your mind. Then English will come on by yourself. That's why it happens. And you have to speak Hindi less. You have to speak English more. Then you can improve your English. You will not fumble. You will not what we call अटकना. आप अटकोगे नहीं. अगर आप इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हो, अगर इंग्लिश की उसके लिए आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी होगी. जैसे कि आपको इंग्लिश में ही सोचना होगा. यू हैव टू लिसन, देन यू हैव टू थिंक इन इंग्लिश. आपको इंग्लिश में ही सोचना होगा. जो थॉट्स आपके दिमाग में आए, छोटे छोटे वाक्यों को बोलें. जैसे कि यू कैन टेक एनीथिंग, यू हैव टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. व्हाट इज दिस लाइक दैट योर इंग्लिश विल इम्प्रूव. यू विल बी कंफर्टेबल इन स्पीकिंग. यू विल not feel shy and you will not feel fear. It happens because you have no practice. You have to do practice. For that you have to think in English. Think in English and it will come in English. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel. You are not subscribing, so what do? If you have to improve your English speaking, for that you can use things. You can describe them. Daily describe them. How can you not speak? You will be able to speak. For that you have to. There are many things at your home. You can describe one by one. What is this? What is this? Anyone will say anything, so you don't listen because you have to improve yourself. You have to speak. You have to speak. You have to improve your English. That's why you have to practice. ओके, तो अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके ज्यादा से ज्यादा सपोर्ट करें।